I was in the mid of a session when I got an error, and it inspired me to do this video. Today we will learn how to manage a space of the fast recovery area in Oracle database. So today's session was about Flashback. There I was trying to turn on the Flashback, but I was getting some errors. Let me show you. First error said I cannot turn on the Flashback, whereas the second one said there is not enough space for the Flashback. To deal with them, we will completely avoid the first error. We will only focus on the second one. If we solve the second error, then the first one will rectify by itself. Before we move ahead, I just want to ask you to like this video and comment. Because to keep this channel alive, we need to satisfy the YouTube algorithm. An algorithm loves videos with high engagements, such as like and comments. So please don't leave without liking and commenting. Thanks. The main reason for both these errors is not enough space in fast recovery area. I have explained fast recovery area in this video. I will leave its link in the video description. Go ahead and check that out. To solve these errors, we either need to increase the space of the fast recovery area or free up the used space of the FRA. There are actually 5 methods of doing it. Let's discuss them. In this step, we will delete some old restore points and free up the space occupied by them in the FRA. In this ad hoc database, I have created 2 restore points. That hardly takes any space, but still I will demonstrate how you can remove them and free up the space. Let's check how many restore points do we have and how much space they are consuming. Here we can see I have 2 restore points, RP1 and RP2, and they are not consuming any space. Let's suppose RP1 is an old restore point and is consuming a lot of space. We can free up that space just by deleting this restore point. Let's see how to delete a restore point. This simple statement will drop the restore point whose name is RP1 and free up the space it's taking. Restore point dropped. That's the first thing. The second thing that you can do to free up this space is to delete the archive redo logs. For that, first we need to connect with the database using RMAN. Now I'm connected with the root container of the database using sysuser. To delete the archive redo logs, you just have to write a simple command like this. Execute. Confirm. All the archive logs have been deleted. That's the second method of freeing up the space. Let's talk about third thing that you can do. Third thing that we can do is to increase the space of the fast recovery area. The simplest approach that you can go with is to increase the space of the fast recovery area. You can do that with the help of a very simple alter statement like this. For this, first we need to connect with the database using SQL with sysuser. Clear the screen. We are connected. Next we have to write our alter statement. To increase the size of the fast recovery area, we set the value for tb_recovery_file_test_size parameter. For the demonstration, I have set the size of my FRA to 10 GB. Let's execute. System altered. If any of these processes didn't work for you, then one more thing that you can do is to disable Flashback. It's not recommended, but gotta have to tell you. Let's see how to disable Flashback. Connect with your database using sysuser. Now write alter database statement. On execution of this statement, Flashback will be turned off and database will stop generating Flashback logs. This should reduce the space requirement of the FRA. Database altered. Turning off flashback is not recommended and not advisable at all. Turn off flashback only if it is utterly necessary. Otherwise, don't. I will soon be doing a video on flashback, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That's it. That's how we manage the space of the fast recovery area in the Oracle database. Hope you enjoyed watching. If so, then like the video and comment. We'll see you soon. Till then, take care. This is Manish from rebellionrider.com.